Hello everyone, I'm GoGoTVC and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your process of setting up your FFM file if you were to switch from an any 100% FFM file to an 80% FFM file, and that without messing up your 100% FFM file, because it obviously takes a long time to do and nobody wants to do that twice. So if you can see that I have my 100% FFM file right now, and if you were to have a run that has made it all the way to the end of the run, all the way to the end of the game, my bad, on file 1, you can basically just set up your FFM file on your 100% FFM file and then go into that file, and this will essentially remove all the eggs and feathers, and from there you're gonna be able to learn the moves that you need. But for those that are unlucky, and then don't have an FFM any run that has been done on your file 1, this is where we're gonna do something fancy. So instead of setting up FFM onto file 1, what we're gonna essentially do is that we're gonna clone our second file onto file 1, and note that this trick only works if you want to clone onto your file 1. So if your 100% FFM file is on file 1, I'm sorry, you're out of luck. You will have to do a second run to set up your FFM file for any percent. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take note of the in-game time. It's only the seconds that matter, so let's just remember that this has 16 seconds on the in-game time. And in order to clone our file, we're basically gonna go to Spiral Mountain and then going back to Grunty's lair. And here I'm gonna reset it late, just to show that what happens if you reset late. So obviously I reset late there because the loading zone was already done when I did it, when I reset. And as you can notice that if I reset late, I will have gained in-game time on my timer. So now instead of being 16 seconds, it's gonna be 20 seconds, so that means that I reset late. Now I'm gonna show you what happens if you reset early. So if you reset early, so I basically reset as early as I could there, you will not have gained in-game time, so you can really use that to your advantage to tell you, okay, what mistake did you do that made it not work. And from that, you're gonna be able to find what frame you will have to reset in order to clone your file. Because yes, it's a frame perfect reset, but it definitely takes a lot shorter to just give a few attempts at resetting to do that. And apparently there, I actually got the frame, even though I didn't try to do it. So if you hit the 1 frame, you will actually clone your file. And a funny thing is that the in-game time will only have advanced onto your clone file for some reason. But if you were to have reset early, you will not have been able. You will have seen the in-game time not change, just like it is now. But if I can give you a feel as to when you should reset, just reset as early as you can during the loading zone, just like I did now, and you will be able to do that. So from now, I do have a clone file, a clone at 100 FFM file, and if I try to shoot eggs right now, I can't, and if I want to go feathers, I can't. So that means that I have another 100% FFM file on file 1, and from now I can just learn all the moves that I want for my 80% FFM file. Thank you guys for watching.